Hello everyone, my name is Radhika and I'm the founding growth marketer at TestZeus. And in this video today, I'll walk you through the feature called as agent guidance. Okay, so what do we mean by agent guidance or grounding the agent? It means that we are giving the agent a specific direction or instructions for it to follow, and it is not derailing it in its pathway. Agent guidance keeps agents aligned with the right test data, environment, and tenant context. It also provides specific instructions that reduce hallucinations and improve the consistency in both test creation and test execution. So, agent guidance is available at three levels: the test data level, environment level, and global account level. The key idea is simple: the more specific the guidance is, the higher the priority it gets. So let's get started with the test level grounding, which is the most specific level. So let's get started with the first level of agent guidance, which is at the test data level. So we are in a product, we go to test data, create a new test data, let's name it as test underscore 1234, click on create. So over here, we will click on agent guidance and now we can guide the agent. Let's say I want to write always use this URL. I'm gonna write like a Nike test case, so I'm using this Nike URL. I will copy the same instruction for the test cases creation as well, and then we click on save. Okay, the test data is created. We go to tests, click on test, and then let's create a new test. We name it as Nike test case. Okay, so over here, I will write like a small test case for Nike. So I will just like quickly copy a Nike test case over here. It's like finding red sneakers on a Nike website. And in the test data section, I will just configure the test data which we just created, which was in the name of test 123. I will quickly search it. Too many test cases. Yeah, so this was 1, 2, 3, 4. I will select it. Now I will click on save and then click on live test. And then we see that the browser is on and the session is live. The agent is running. It is preparing a quick execution plan. So meanwhile this is running, I will show you a quick, okay, so we have the entire video over here. So we see, right, that the agent is scrolling on the Nike website and trying to figure out red sneakers, which the instructions which we had given earlier. And over here, which you can see, right, we never mentioned or gave the URL for the Nike website. We just mentioned a user navigates to Nike. And the data which we had grounded in the test data section, it picks the URL from there. Okay, so while this is on, we can see that the test is running and the agent is guided and using the instructions from the test data. So we can quickly have a look at the test case which we just ran on the Nike website. I will quickly show you the browser. So over here we have captured the entire browser session and we can see, right, that the agent was able to go through the website, search for red sneakers, and this is the entire video it has captured for the run. We also have like a small browser session with all the logs and everything captured over here. So yeah, this was all about it. So this was one part of the test data side of agent guidance. Now quickly we will explore the agent guidance at the environment level. For that we click on environment. Over here we can create like a new environment. And a similar thing which we did for test data, we will just name it, let's say test underscore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and we click on create. Over here, we can see that we can ground the agent or guide the agent at both the levels for the environment section again. On the environments, you can give instructions like, always use the staging URL for multiple test cases, use the test user credentials for this environment only, and etc. Other things as well. Now, and then we click on save, and from here we can guide the environment agent guidance. Now I will quickly show the third level, which is we are grounding the agent at the global account level or the tenant level, which is where we go on settings and click on accounts. Over here, we click on agent guidance, and over here, we can ground our agent at the global level or the account level. For example, we give the agent the guidelines that always use the application homepage URL or always use a preferred Chrome browser while running test cases. And when we are grounding the agent at our account level, then all the test cases or all the tests executed on this account level will use this data and the agent will be guided on top of it. Yeah, so now we've seen all the three levels from where we can guide our agents. Pretty simple, right? To summarize, agent guidance helps grounding agents with the right instructions for both execution and the test creations, while helping to avoid hallucinations. You can configure it at the test data level, the environment level, or the global level, and the agent always prioritizes the most specific guidance available. So yeah, that was all. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how agent guidance keeps your agents accurate, consistent, and grounded at every level. Watch out this space for more videos on TestZeus. Feel free to like, subscribe, and share our channel as well. Thank you. Have a good day.